Everyone in the Samsung community is eagerly waiting for the release of the Galaxy S24 series. Slated for an official release on January 17th, we are less than 2 weeks away from the grand unpacked event of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Still, we are seeing huge leaks from tech insiders, revealing almost everything before the grand launch. A tech insider, Sparrow News, leaked 2 big leaks that nobody expected before this close of the unpacked event. The first news is about the leaked live images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra from both sides. And the second leak is about the exclusive colors of the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra that will be available for purchase on the official online store. Talking about the first leak, the newly leaked Galaxy S24 Ultra real-life photos showcase a departure from the curved display as the Ultra model ditches the previous curved display in favor of a steadfast, straight display, giving a different visual attraction. The structural evolution of the S24 Ultra unfolds with the replacement of the curved steel frame with a cutting-edge titanium middle frame featuring sharp angles. A meticulously crafted front bezel not only exudes authority, but also enhances visibility compared to its predecessor. Talking about the rear, the Galaxy S24 Ultra maintains the housing design of its predecessor. However, a keen eye will notice a modest yet significant increase in sensor technology, promising improved photographic ability in line with the persistent quest of innovation. Coming to our second leak of the day, as we have already seen, official renderings provide a glimpse into the sleek design and colors of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Today we're here to share an exclusive sneak peek into the unique color options for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, set to be available exclusively on Samsung's online store. The S24 Ultra shines in 3 exclusive colors, each showcasing light shades that elevate the attraction of this exceptional flagship device. The color palette includes a serene blue, a refreshing green, and a vibrant orange. Each hue brings its distinct personality to the forefront. Upon closer inspection, it's revealed that the blue and green variants feature sleek black middle frames, which improves the overall aesthetic appeal. The orange edition, on the other hand, takes a different approach with a silver central frame, giving users a choice that appeals to a variety of interests. These Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra exclusive colors not only showcase Samsung's commitment to providing users with a variety of stylish options, but also highlight the brand's attention to detail in crafting a device that stands out in both design and functionality. So do you like the S24 Ultra design? And which color option are you going to buy? Is it exclusive or the regular one? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.